Hello, I'm George Nenni with Generations Digital, and welcome to our Google Analytics 4 training series designed specifically for car dealers. Today we're going to talk about events and parameters in GA4, Google Analytics 4. Here we are at the home page of GA4, and we'll go through and explain what we mean by events and parameters. So events in Google Analytics 4 are simply triggers that happen whenever something occurs on the website. So when you scroll on your dealership website, it fires a scroll event. When you interact with your chat tool, it fires chat events. When you complete a lead form on your website, it fires lead form submission events. And so those events are super important for us tracking activity. Parameters live within events, and the parameters allow us to pass important information within the events. So if we're on a VDP and we fill out a lead form, that event for the lead form submission can contain in it 35 pieces of data, including the vehicle year, make, model, body style, stock number, VIN number, first seen date. Lots of important information that can be passed through those parameters. But before you can pass that data through the parameters, you have to create a custom dimension for that. I know that all sounds complicated. Just follow along with me and I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, to inspect events in GA4, we're going to go to the Reports menu. And then we'll go under Engagement and we'll click on Events. Okay? And here are all the events that have fired over the last 28 days. We can see the Automotive Standards Council events, the ASC events. Those are super important to us because that follows the standards for automotive, and we want to make sure that all of our vendors, our website providers, all of them fire those ASC events. If I click on that event, the next page is going to show me the parameters if I have those custom dimensions created. And that's the last step I'll show you, is how to create those custom dimensions. But as I scroll down here, yep, sure enough, page type, item make, these are all parameters that live inside these events. And so inside the ASC Media Interaction event, there's a parameter called item make, and Cadillac is one of the values within that parameter. And that allows us to be able to report on activity on our website by vehicle make, by vehicle model, by fuel type, by vehicle first seen date. There's lots and lots of information that's passed. But if you don't see any information on your screen when you run the same report, chances are you don't have a custom dimension built. And it's a super simple process. It's a one-time process, but you have to create a custom dimension for every one of these parameters. So we'll grab item number, that's stock number. I'm going to copy that right now. And let's go into the custom dimensions and see if we've got a dimension built for that. So we'll go in the admin menu. And then we'll go down to Data Display and we'll click on Custom Definitions. There's 3 tabs to this, so be careful. We want the left-hand tab here for Custom Dimensions. Okay, and so we can come down here, we can see Item Inventory Date, Fuel Type. All of these already have these built. So if yours looks like this, then you're good. You're already set. But if you've got blanks here, or maybe not all these dimensions are set up, I'll show you how to do it. If you happen to use Dealer eProcess or Dealer Inspire, I know both of those companies will provide this work for you when they build your website. So that is a little bit of time savings. But if not, here's all you got to do. There's 35 dimensions, as we mentioned, and so you really just need to go to Create Custom Dimension, and we'll make believe that we don't have item number, the stock number, created yet. So we'll just call the dimension name the same thing as a parameter, and so we'll paste item number in both of those places and save. Now, of course, it won't let us do that because we've already got item number done, but if you did not have that one done, you'd hit save, and then you would do that for every one of these parameters. Okay. There's 35 of these, and if you just go slowly through the video, this one's showing 36, that's fine. You can see all those names. All you do is just paste that twice, once for the name and once for the custom dimension, and then you're done. Once you do that, the system will then start collecting data, and then you'll be able to report on those dimensions. And so hopefully that all made sense. Thank you very much for viewing this training video. If you want to learn more about what I do and what our company does, you can visit generationsdigital.com. If you want to learn more about Google Analytics 4, digital marketing, Google Business Profile, I've got 3 best-selling books on Amazon on those topics, specifically written for car dealers. And so just go to Amazon and search for George Nenni, and those books will pop up, and you can learn more about those. If you've liked this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive more hopefully useful useful education around Google Analytics 4 and automotive digital marketing. Until next time, this is George Nenni from Generations Digital. Thank you for watching.